I'm on the list.
Well, what's the deal, buddy? You look like you're hurt for certain.
Thanks for...
Do not touch the merch, motherfucker! Take one step back, please. CeeLo, I need you outside guarding the door, please. Thank you very much.
Go ahead. It's all right, yeah.
All right, gentlemen. I need that table cleared, placed in front of Whip with a chair behind it. Now, please. I need a glass of water. I need a credit card. I need a $100 bill.
I got a 20.
She'll do. All right, Whip, banana boats are coming. All right. And I need a Cocoa Puff.
A what?
Just take the tiniest little bit of tobacco out of the top of the cigarette, please. Damn, amateur night. We're almost home. Okay, baby. We're gonna do 2 small whiffs first. 1 on each side. Mm-hmm. Just a little primer. Get us started.
Okay.
Cocoa Puff. Attaboy, head back. Swallow. Water, now, Chief, you. All right. Little Cocoa Puff, buddy. Who's a banana man?
You.
Who's a banana man? All right. Now focus up, big dog. There's a train coming to you.
Yeah.
Keep it down, big dog. Banana boat's coming. It's banana boat.
And banana boat is here.
All right. Nothing keeps you down, dog. Wow. Nothing keeps that big dog down. Y'all are up.
Oh,
I don't,
Yeah, oh, thank you.
I'll take another.
Thank you, brother. Shit, I'm back.
All right, baby. Love you.
Shit.
All right. Which one of you gentlemen is funding this enterprise?
It's $500. I think I got like $80 on it. I just... How much you got?
I got it.
All right.
Here.
Just...
You pay.
What?
Pay?
Thank you. Okay. There's a gram in here. You take it. You paid for it. He's gonna need it later. My work here is finished. See y'all on the dark side of the boom.